So hello guys, welcome to our next video. Today we would like to show you how to replace the chuck or the tool holder bush. This is this part, as you can see here. So first step is to open these 4 screws. Do it now. One, 2, 3, and the last one. And 4. So screws are open. Now you have to take off the grip molding. So one part, second part is finished. Then take out this tool holder. So be careful because of the oil. So this is now the part. As you can see here, the ram is inside. We have to take off, but at first take away the machine. So this is the tool holder. We have to take out the ram. So I help by myself with vise. This is the ram with the sealing ring. The ring is fine, it's okay. So now we have here the tool holder. The first thing what you have to do, take off the ring, O-ring at the end, or the sealing ring. So and now you can start to disassemble the tool holder. The first thing is we have to do is to take off the retaining ring. We will help us with the hydraulic press, and now I will show you also with our repairing retaining ring pliers. So okay, so now we have to take off the ring. I use such a tube with the press to push down the cover or the sleeve, the steel sleeve, and with our pliers to open the retaining ring. So okay, let's do it. I also use a screwdriver. That's a nice helper. Okay, nice, the ring. It's open. This is the retaining ring, and he's closing the sleeve. So okay, so we open the retaining ring. Now we take off the cover. After then there is a absorber ring. Then we have here a lock, this part. Now we have the cap, plastic, the black one, plastic cap. So, and here we have to take off the bolts. Okay. Now you can see here the sleeve and the spring Put the washer down. Do not be careful, do not mix up the parts. Now we have to open the second retaining ring. It's sitting here, as you can see, because we have to take out the chuck. Okay, it's open. This is the second one. Now we have to take off the flange. This is this big part. Be careful, there are two rollers on the chuck, left and right. This you have to take out too. Then there is a washer. So, and now we will use the new part, the new chuck. Of course, you can, the best way is using original part or replacement. It's up to you. So, now we will assemble it again. The first step, as the last step of the assembly, is this washer. Take the washer to the back. After then you have to fix this two rollers. To fix it, we're using a little bit grease. So a little bit grease in one hole, a little bit grease in the second one. Put in the rollers or pins. So it's fixed. Now we take the flange. Be careful, there are two grooves inside. The pins you have to put exactly in the grooves. So as you can see, now it's finished. The next step is bring back, assemble this retaining ring. So let's do it. Put the screwdriver a little bit. So the second retaining ring is in the groove back. So now the next step is the spring with the washer. After then the sleeve. This is this part with the 3 holes for the bolts. Bring it in exactly in the same position as the holes from the chuck. Then we are using new bolts. Put it in. The second one and the third one. So, okay. Now you take the cover, the black one, position, it's up to you. Normally with these grooves next to the holes of the screws. Then you take this lock, push it in. Next step is absorb a ring, and at the end you take the cover. So now we have to put the second retaining ring in the groove. This is the last step from here. We will fix it. Oh, come on. Come on, my friend. So we fixed it on the chuck, but now we have to use our hydraulic press again. We help us with such a tube. It's a normal steel tube. So, okay, the press helps you to push the retaining ring in the groove. So, help us with our press. Listen. Okay. Now, as you can see, the retaining ring, it's in the groove, and the tool holder, it's now fixed or closed. Okay. So, and now at the end, do not forget the O-ring. We take a new one. These are the old parts, so the chuck, old one, but for the O-ring we take a new one. So now the washer must be here down, you can see, yeah, and on top you have to fix the O-ring. So it's ready. At the end, take the ram. The sealing ring is fine. Use a little bit grease on the sealing ring and put the ram back. So finish. Now we take our machine. We will fix it in the machine. Do not forget the grip mounting or the black covers. The last one, what can you do? I forgot, you can put 20 milliliter of oil in the machine between the striker and the ram, but it's up to you now. So close it, tighten the screws, and you are finished. I think I must not show you how to tighten the screws. You can use a little bit black thread locker, then fix it, and you are finished. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much for watching our video. We would be appreciate to get some likes from you, and looking forward to see you in our next video. Bye bye.